Welcome everyone to the Hogg Foundation for Mental Health Engagement Report. We've been very busy this past year and we're very excited to share with you some of the accomplishments that we have done over this past year. Well, the three key accomplishments that we have had here at the Hogg Foundation I think have been very important. Number one, we've actually put out $3 million in funds and they were dedicated to mental health in schools and also advancing integrated healthcare in an academic setting, and we chose medical schools to receive those funds. Also, the policy unit has been very engaged with the ongoing policy advancements through the legislative process. We really address, for example, in helping through not only our policy unit here at Hogg, but also through the Academy, the Hogg Policy Academy and its Hogg Fellows in pushing forth, for example, parity, where we really bring mental health services to be equal to physical health services that are being provided by the insurance policies and companies throughout the state of Texas. Also, we have provided 12 scholarships and fellowships to students to advance their careers and or to advance research in mental health. Well, we have been very engaged in a very thorough process of looking at our strategic plan for really the next 10 years. And it was catalyzed by our 75th anniversary. But what's really important about us taking a look at where we've been is to reflect what we've done, but look toward the future. As we're looking toward the future, a strategic planning process, not only through ourselves internally, but also we reached out to advocates, partners, and other collaborators, former grantees, to help us take a look at how we want to advance going into the future through our strategic planning process. And what we came to is we're going to really want to work with communities to advance putting forth and improving mental health throughout their lives with the communities, as well as achieving well-being through advancing health equity. To achieve health equity and really to advance wellness and to improve mental health for all communities and individuals, we do need to recognize and we do understand the importance of individual responsibility that plays within that. However, we're a very complicated world and we live in an environment that impacts us. And sort of recognizing the impact that other factors have on our individual choices and responsibilities as we're trying to improve our mental health, as we're trying to achieve health equity and increase overall well-being, we need to recognize the importance of individual responsibility and how equally and sometimes even much more important the environment is upon the decisions that we make. The Hogg Foundation for Mental Health and myself personally want to thank all our grantees, all our advocates, our partners, and our collaborators that have helped us throughout this past year to achieve the progress that the Hogg Foundation has made, as well as the advancements that we hope to make in the future. We can't do it alone. We do it all together, working together really for ourselves and for our communities and for the great state of Texas.